Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a CTD DM200R double cutoff, or it's a double miter saw. Two stations, both can be moved, but for the most part what you do is your left station is fixed, although it is adjustable again, but usually your left one is fixed and you index off of that. As you can see, you do have a tape running from left to right, and your cursor is here. All you basically do is loosen this up and you can move your right head to your left head, and that's basically how you index. This one also does have an Accurate Technologies Pro scale built into it. That is an option. As you can see, it reads 90.865 inches as the maxed width between those blades. We have the right hand head set up on a 45-degree miter. We set the left head on 0 degrees. Both heads do and have the capabilities of moving between 0 and 50 degrees. Each head also does have its own hold down. You have two material supports. As you can hear, there's no leaks. This machine is in a really excellent condition. It's powered by two Baldor 2 horsepower 208 230 460 volt saw duty motors. Double palm activated, foot pedal activated as well. The foot pedal is going to activate your hold downs, and when you hit your double palms, it's going to activate your plunge. Go ahead and start it up real fast. "12-inch blade capacity." Again, a really, really clean machine. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.